I am Kiran Preet Kaur from Makkar IELTS, and today the essay type that I've come up to discuss with you is the solution essays, and this also we are going to try to attempt in 15 sentences. Okay, so earlier we have made a template for discuss essays in 15 sentences, advantages, disadvantages essay in 15 sentences, and the agree, disagree essay in 15 sentences. So, this is another type of essay which comes in the IELTS, that is the problem solution essay. So, in this essay, we'll be discussing the structure of the problem solution essay. This essay, especially which I have taken for this video, was seen in Australia on the 7th October 2020, and I have noticed now that essays and graphs are being repeated very often in other parts. So maybe in the next 2 or 3 months, this very essay is seen in India. In some countries, family and friends who care for the elderly do not find time to look after them. What are the reasons and solutions? So, there are friends and family who want to take care of the elderly, but they don't have time. And the reasons for this lack of time are asked and the solutions. So, let's see how to attempt. Now, a brief overview of the problem solution essays. In problem solution essays, an issue is given. This is usually followed by two parts for the student. The two parts may be any two of these three: reasons, effects, solutions. So either you will be asked reasons and solutions, or you will be asked reasons and effects, or you will be asked effects and solutions. So I hope this much is clear. You may be asked any of these things. It's very important to read the question 3-4 times, translate it into your native language and see what is being asked, because I've seen students just not reading the question properly, and task achievement, they really lose out on the task achievement, because what is not asked they are writing on that. So it's very important to read the question 2 3 4 times, translate it and see what is asked. In this question, reasons and solutions are asked. So writing the introduction first. Introduction we write in 2 sentences. Sentence 1 is the background statement. We have to paraphrase the question to the best of your abilities. So mentioning what has been asked in the question in a formal way. So these are the 2 sentences. In the first sentence, we have to paraphrase the question to the best of our abilities, and mention second sentence is mention what has been asked in a formal way. In some countries, family and friends who care for the elderly do not find time to look after them. What are the reasons and solutions? What are the reasons and solutions? Sentence 1. Now try to change the structure of the sentence. But if you cannot change the structure, just make a few changes and write it. Don't worry. Okay? So here I've tried it. It is a sad reality that in some parts of the world, close friends and even family members are facing difficulty in finding time to look after the older members. So it's a sad reality that in some parts of the world, close friends and even family members are facing difficulty in finding time to look after the older members. Now, this is the first sentence. Sentence 2. There are many reasons for this situation, and steps are needed to ensure that people in their last years are taken care of and loved. So, second sentence is that there are many reasons for this situation, and steps are needed to ensure that people in their last years are taken care of and loved. Now, these are 2 sentences which are completing the whole introduction. Complete introduction here. I've written both the sentences together, and this has gone to around 55 words, which is pretty good. Okay, so this is the introduction. Then we'll come over to the body paragraphs. Now we'll make 3 body paragraphs here, but you have many options in this essay. You can make 2 paragraphs for reasons and 1 for solutions, that is 3 body paragraphs, or you can make 1 for solutions, 1 for reasons and 2 for solutions, that is the second body paragraph. And then you can also make reasons and 2 for solutions. Okay, you can also make 2 body paragraphs with 1 paragraph for solutions and 1 for reasons. Or you can even make 4 body paragraphs with 2 for reasons and 2 for solutions. So that will be a 6 para essay. But I have seen that 3 body paragraphs approach is easier for the students, and they find it less daunting to make 3 paragraphs, 60, 70 words each paragraph, and they can easily carry that five para essay approach very nicely. So I generally advise them to make 3 body paragraphs. Before writing your body paragraphs, make a list of your points. So the reasons that come to my mind are people are busy nowadays, they don't have time. So first thing is they are busy. That is why they don't have time. They have a hectic lifestyle, long working hours. They have to tend to their jobs, children and other responsibilities besides their caregiving role. Then second reason is increasing life expectancy. So they are living longer. People are living longer, and youngsters have to take care of the older people for a longer time. Increasing life expectancy also means that has also meant that sometimes the young generation have to take care of not one but 2 generations. And then third is the changes in demographic trends also mean there are less people to take care of the older people than before. So what happens is, because of the demographic trend changes, people are not having children, or they are having children late in life. The elderly, because of increased life expectancy, the elderly are living. So there are fewer youth and more elderly. So these are the demographic trends, and because of this also this reason comes up that there are fewer young people to take care of the older parents than before. Okay, so these are the 3 reasons that came to my mind. Solutions: wherever possible use of technology to enable people to work from home. So you can this is one solution. Most of the jobs like IT jobs and all can be done from home. So wherever possible, people should opt for this telecommuting. In this way they'll be able to give more time for to their elderly parents at home. Second solution is they can hire a caregiver for a certain time period to decrease the burden. Third solution is they can teach the elderly how to use modern technology to stay connected with family and friends even when they are busy. So, older members can also use the technology to reduce their dependency on the young. And the fourth solution is elderly need to be more accommodating. This is very helpful. So, now we'll start writing body paragraph 1, then paragraphs 2 and 3. Body paragraph 1 will be uh, first, we have to make a sentence that is a topic sentence of every paragraph. I lay great importance on teaching this topic sentence and thesis statement. So, topic sentence are very important for scoring high in the IELTS. So, if you have to put reasons in this paragraph, so you have to tell the examiner that in this paragraph you will discuss the reasons. So don't directly start with firstly, the first reason. Don't directly start like that. Write the reasons and their explanations in step 2 and use connectors between different reasons. These are the 3 steps in which you will go about writing a body paragraph. There are 2 main reasons for the increasing challenges faced by people in taking care of the elderly. Firstly, today, most people have a hectic schedule, and besides their caregiver duties, they also have to tend to their children, their jobs, and other responsibilities. The second reason is that the longer life expectancy means that in some families, young people have to take care of 2 old generations in place of one. Finally, changes in the demographic trends. Demographics also mean that there are less people to take care of the older parents than before. So these are sentences 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 5 sentences in this paragraph. The third sentence is the topic sentence. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh sentence are the supporting and the developing sentences. Now, connectors that you can use for listing points in this paragraph, I've used firstly. The second reason is that finally. Okay, these are the connectors that I've used in this paragraph. Now, when we'll make the body paragraph 2 and 3, we'll take care that we use different connectors. That is why I've pointed out the connectors here. You can see here I've written firstly. Okay, then I've written finally, and then in between I've written the second reason is that. So these are the connectors. Now we come to the body paragraph 2 and 3. Step 1, make a sentence to tell the examiner that in this paragraph you will discuss the solutions. And step 2 is write the solutions and their explanations. These will be sentences 9 and 10. This will be body paragraph 2. And these sentences will be In the body paragraph 3, we'll have the 11th, 12th, 13th, and the 14th sentence. Step 3 is use connectors between different solutions, and don't use the same connectors as reasons paragraph. You can always use, change the connectors, use different connectors so that it adds some, it doesn't add monotony to your writing, it doesn't add a repetitive touch to your writing. There are certain steps that people can take to strike a balance between their uh, caregiving role and other responsibilities. Okay? To begin with, whenever possible, people can take the work from home option so that they can spend some extra time with their elder members. If this is not possible, they can hire caregivers for certain hours, since caregivers can not only help with the health and exercise needs for elderly, but also keep the old people lively by providing them someone to talk to. So this is one solution. That first solution I put in this essay was that they can take the option of working from home. Second solution is, if this that is not possible, they can hire caregivers. Caregivers can be hired for few hours. They are of course, this is a costly option, but then it's a good option. Caregivers come to the house and take care of the elderly, so the elderly don't feel out of place. So that's a better option in that sense. And in addition, now in the third paragraph, I've started in addition. So this means that another point is coming up. In addition, the young members in the family can familiarize the elderly with technology so that the elder members can stay connected with them even when they are busy. So, this is one thing that the young people can do. They can familiarize the elderly with technology, and so that the technology can stay, so that the elders can stay connected with them even when their young ones are busy, when their children are busy in their work. Technology can also help reduce the dependence on the young. For example, if the old people have mobility issues, they can order things online instead of asking the younger members to get them the items. Last but not least, uh, the elderly need to be accommodating and must be willing to make certain changes, especially when it comes to their health. So elderly have to see that they make certain changes when it comes to their health. uh, they should not fuss about and do all things in which they can remain healthy and active. So that is one change that the elderly can also bring in them. So the connectors used for listing points which are used in these paragraphs are, to begin with, in addition, also, last but not least. So I hope this helps you how to change the connectors in the two paragraphs also. This is very nice method. And then in the conclusion, just one sentence, and you have to repeat what you answered without going into any specifics. In conclusion, there are various causes why the young generation is finding it challenging to take care of the elderly, but with certain measures, this issue can be addressed. So this is the conclusion, which is just one sentence. Now the whole essay is written here. Uh, I'm, you know, quite positive that you will learn a lot from this method of writing the essay and find it easy to attempt all such problem solution essays in this method. And this method is definitely going to be very band fetching. You can see that it is 340 words already. So even if you write a bit smaller, around 300 words, it will do. And do keep coming back to the website for more such posts. Thank you very much for watching patiently.